Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to delete wallpaper on lock screen iPhone. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to delete this particular wallpaper on your iPhone lock screen, all you need to do is go ahead, unlock your iPhone with your Face ID. Then press and hold the lock screen. Then you should see all your lock screen wallpaper like this. Now, to delete the lock screen wallpaper, swipe to the lock screen wallpaper you want to delete. Then scroll up on it or swipe up on it, then you should see the trash icon. Locate and click on the trash button. Then spot that says delete this wallpaper, then go ahead and click on delete. Then you're good. Then go ahead and select the wallpaper you want to set as your lock screen wallpaper, or select another one and set as your lock screen wallpaper. Mark you must have at least one lock screen wallpaper left to serve as your lock screen wallpaper on your iPhone. So just go ahead to delete multiple lock screen wallpaper you want to use, and then once you get the one you want to use, just click on it once, and then the wallpaper is going to set as your lock screen wallpaper on your iPhone. So that's exactly how to delete wallpaper on lock screen on iPhone. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.